Okay, now this question involves a lot of algebra, right? It appears to be very difficult. Let's take an approach which makes the question quite simple. The question is, if a plus b is equal to 4, ab is equal to 7 by 4, what is the value of a square minus b square? Now, few things are given. Here, the trick is to use options, right? That's the approach we'll be using this question to solve. Let's say if a plus b, what is given to us, that is a plus b, that is 4. Also, what is given, that ab value, that is 7 by 4. What is required in the question? The question asks us to find out a square minus b square, right? Now, what is the value of a square minus b square? Can we write a square minus b square as a minus b into a plus b? Right? That's the basic formula. What is a plus b given? That value is given as 4. So can we substitute? Let's substitute here a plus b as 4. So can we say that 4 times a minus b, that value is required in the question? Already we have the value of a plus b. So 4 times a minus b, that value is required. Now let's understand and solve this question in a simple approach. Let's try seeing the option. This value is given in the option. Let's try with option A. What is option A? That is minus 12. Let's put this value, that is 4 times A minus B, that is equal to minus 12, right? So can we say that A minus B is how much? Minus 12 divided by 4, that is minus 3. From this, also what is given is A plus B is 4. So can we say A plus B, that is 4? Two equations, two variables, if we add them, b gets cancelled out. That means 2a is equal to 1. Minus 3 plus 4, that is 1. That means a is going to be 1 by 2. Got this step? If a is 1 by 2, this information substituted here, b value can be calculated. What will be b? B will be 4 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 goes to the other side. So it will be nothing else but 7 by 2. So if A is 1 by 2, B is 7 by 2, what will be the value of AB? For this option 12, AB will be nothing else but 1 by 2 multiplied by 7 by 2, that is 7 by 4, which was given in the question to us, right? That means by taking 4 times A minus B as minus 12, the information which is given to us is getting satisfied. That means this minus 12 is a possible value of this particular expression. That means now which options can we eliminate? If minus 12 has to be there, either it will be option A or option C will be correct. Why? Because these two options have minus 12 in it. Option B do not have minus 12, eliminated. Options D also do not have, option E also eliminated. Now we just have to check for option A or C. Option C has B as an answer. That means it has 12. Let's put this value, which is B, 4 times A minus B equal to 12. Let's put this value and see to it whether it matches the given information or satisfies the given information or not. So 4 times A minus B, that is equal to 12. A minus B, same step. That will A minus B will be 12 divided by 4, that is 3. Also, what is given to us, that is A plus B is equal to 4. Adding two equations, two variables. If we add these two equations, B gets cancelled out. 2A is equal to 7. That means A is 7 by 2. Got this step. B is how much? If we substitute A as 7 by 2 here, B will be 4 minus 7 by 2. That is nothing else but 1 by 2. Now with these values of A and B, how much AB will be there? AB 7 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2, that is 7 by 4, which is equal to the given information. That means this value 12 also satisfies the given expression. That means this expression could be equal to minus 12. It could be equal to 12. That means option C would be the correct answer. Option A gets eliminated. Why? Because both the values which satisfies this given information is there in option C. Therefore, option C is the correct answer, right? So we have solved this question in a very, very simple manner. We have used very, very basic algebra, not used a discriminant or something around that to solve this question, right? Our agenda for a GMAT question is to solve and get to the correct answer in a least amount of time, right? We have not used discriminant or higher quadratic or a parabola to solve this question. Very, very easy. It was a 705 to 805 level of the question. So see to it, we have just simplified this using the options. So try solving them. If you have any questions, you can post it to me. You can post it on the chat box. I'll be happy to answer and help you in any which ways, right? So you can, if you, I hope you understood all the points which we have discussed. If you like the video, do hit a like button there, as well as do share with your friends and subscribe to my channel for the new videos as well for your GMAT preparation. See you in the next video.